Okay, ready, set, go. We have a winner, 5:33. Next race, please, 5:42.
Hey!
5:35 on the road.